From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with a dry throat and itchy skin due to the dry air in your home? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's the Dreame Mist-Free Humidifier H40. This smart device is a game changer, and many customers have purchased and reviewed it, praising its effectiveness. With its mist-free evaporative technology, you can say goodbye to those annoying mist clouds and hello to a comfortable and healthy indoor climate. The device features a nature-inspired water curtain that filters minerals, greatly reducing white dust and delivering even, full-room humidification with low energy consumption. You'll love the feeling of the cool, moist air on your skin, and the sound of silence, as this humidifier is incredibly quiet. The 3-stage purification technology is also a standout feature, providing long-lasting clean air for pets and sensitive households, and the washable high-density filter is a breeze to clean, with a smooth texture that's easy to wipe down. The Dreame Mist-Free Humidifier H40 also boasts an 800 ml per hour large humidification capacity, quickly releasing sufficient amounts of moisture and rapidly improving air humidity, even during dry seasons. With its smart Indoor Microclimate Regulation, this device uses intelligent algorithms to monitor your environment and automatically adjust humidification in response to temperature and humidity changes, ensuring constant comfort. Whether you're looking to relieve congestion, prevent dry skin, or just create a cozy atmosphere, this humidifier is the perfect solution, and its energy conservation feature means you can run it all day without breaking the bank. So why settle for a dry, uncomfortable home when you can have a breathable and healthy space with the Dreame Mist-Free Humidifier H40? It's definitely worth considering for anyone looking to upgrade their indoor air quality. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.